So Nate, Rachel, what do you guys think of that little J feather? I'm pretty sure you could fit about 3 of those in your Pinnacle.
Oh yeah, Brickle and Digby want one of those so bad. That's the new 2 traveling dogs mobile.
I'm pretty sure that thing's so small you could pull it yourself. You know, we'll hook you to it. You can just drag us around. I'm saving on my fuel cost. I like it.
So I have to be honest. Maybe it's just, I don't know, the way we are, but we did lift it up and move it earlier.
Did you?
A few of us, we did pull it. Yeah. It's about 1,700 pounds, but you get enough people on there.
Yeah, well, Chris calls you Mr. Atlas. I like that.
That is a stretch. That is a very big stretch. That being said, you guys have been camping for a while. You guys certainly aren't newbies yourselves, but do you have any quick tips for newbies out there?
Yes, make sure you always bring a blender.
Oh,
for making dog food, of course. Nothing to do with drinks. Nothing to do with drinks.
Absolutely not. Well, my man Chris is with Keith and Tia, and they are going to take it away talking about essentials for newbies.
Such a beautiful day out here at the Land, Water, and RV Show, which is what I like because we get to come out here. I love looking at the trees. I love the plants. And I love running into my friends, soulful RV family, Keith, Tia. Boys, what's happening? Hey, do you guys mind if I come in and join you real quick?
Please,
awesome.
come on in.
I
KJ,
love the campsite setup you got. Oh, thank you, boy. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm just gonna hang out here for a second before I sit down.
Justin,
you guys having fun out here?
Wrapper.
Yeah. I mean, you got a beautiful setup. It's outside. The weather's nice. And you guys got a great camp set up.
It is a fantastic campground. I mean,
can we go down to the beach for a little bit?
I mean, it's a nice beach.
You can go, but don't get on those boats, okay?
Go have fun, guys. So
sorry about that.
No, are you kidding me? You know, that's what I think is great about camping because it gives you a chance to reconnect with the family, the loved ones while you're out and seeing America the safest way possible, which is really why I wanted to talk to you. So forgive me for intruding.
It's okay.
But we have a lot of people who are just now discovering the camp style. A lot of newbies realizing how great it can be. Now, I know you guys only live like 35 minutes away from here, right?
Yeah, this is local camping for us.
Right. So I want to talk a little bit about that because you guys were newbies once. What are some, while we're out here?
A long time ago.
Yeah, well, I mean, might not have been that long ago, but it was a while ago. But tell me, what are some of the things you guys consider essentials that people just now discovering RVing might need that you didn't think about?
Well, I'll start with what we're sitting on right now is you got to find a good camp chair.
Yeah.
I mean, for me, I've gone through 5 or 6 in the last 12 months. You think you find one and then you see another one. I walk into a camping world and I see another one and like the one you're sitting on right now. And then we've got the boys who have their own distinct ones they want to keep. Yeah. So I think you got to start with a good camping chair. What about you, honey?
Oh, we're constantly upgrading camping chairs.
Yeah.
But I think very important is the rug.
Yeah,
Trying
absolutely.
to keep and minimize the dirt that gets carried inside.
Yeah. Yep, and people don't think about that because it's not one of those things we think about when we're at home. Now, when you're talking about going long distance camping versus just 30 minutes away, is there anything different that you might take or?
Well, my husband always has to have his grill.
Right.
Whether we're 30 minutes or 3 hours away, it's coming with me wherever I go.
Right.
Absolutely.
And the great thing about being just 30 minutes away is to start, I always tell people, try to start locally because if you do forget something, you can easily go back home and get it.
Yeah, don't be like us. On our first trip, we went about 12, 14 hours away on our first trip, and we experienced a lot of troubles. But for us, it really cemented our love for camping and RVing. If that didn't break us, nothing will. And you can see, look at this place. I mean, it's fantastic to have the water, the woods, just everything this close to home. People got to take advantage of it.
They do, and hopefully the kids have adjusted.
Oh, they love it. It hasn't been an adjustment at all, really.
Really?
They've just come right into the lifestyle and just taken to it.
That's awesome because I know for some kids, it's hard to get them off those tablets. And they get on those electronic devices, get on the games, and it's like a pry bar is needed to get them away from.
Do you see all the toys by the water?
I do. I mean, that's also essential too. I think if you go into the lake, the ocean, wherever, you got to have those as well. But the chairs, Keith, you're right. I'd mentioned last time, man, about the padded club chair.
Yes, you did.
Tia, you got to be loving that one.
Yes. I love it. So
what did you think of the little hammock rocker like I'm in right now?
It's great. I love it.
Yeah.
I prefer the padded.
Okay.
It's all about preference.
Yeah.
You got to find what's comfortable for you.
They're sturdy, lightweight, they're easy to pack up. They come with bags. I mean, they got good weight capacities, like 300 pounds here, 300 pounds for each one of those. And I see you also got a nice Coleman cooler over there, which I think is essential too.
Absolutely.
Every RVer needs a good cooler to keep the ice for a couple days, keep your drinks cold. And for us, it's a lot easier. You know, mom likes to keep the RV clean.
Keep
Yeah.
the kids
So if you have
out.
drinks in here, the kids aren't traipsing in and out of the RV all day long.
Yeah,
right.
that's a good spot. And I mean, you got the side tables.
Yep.
Those are nice. Those little tag-alongs are great. Lightweight. Oh yeah, gotta have
Gotta have
the
a spot for
beverage.
these don't have cup holders, so the side table is perfect to put your drink on.
Yeah.
Right.
It's those little things that when you think about it, it's the little things that are going to make the camping experience enjoyable. And if somebody doesn't enjoy it, they're not going to want to do it again.
That's right.
So, you know,
And don't be overwhelmed. I know people coming in, you think you have so much to learn. This RV community is fantastic
Yes.
to help you out. We pull in a campground. If you're struggling, unhooking or backing up, someone's there to help you. If you forget something, someone at the campground's there to help you. So just come on in and enjoy it.
such a great point.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see what you make over here a little bit later. I know something's coming because I've seen those cooking skills. But these Weber Traveler grills, the portable grills to me are essential because sure, you can use them at home.
Yeah.
But they use a little small propane tank. You got all the utensils that you could use, hangers for them there, but durable, lightweight, and more importantly, storable. You can fold this down and put it right through the pass-through storage.
Yeah, storage is a premium when you got a family the size of ours with 3 kids. So having a grill that's compact like that is perfect. I still get my grilling done, but we have the storage for the family.
Right. I also like the plates you got. Man, I might do, but you got enough for one more when we come back a little bit later? Is
We
that
absolutely do.
Yeah.
okay?
You know, I always cook a lot of food. She says I always cook too much. So
Right.
we'll have a plate for you, Chris. Don't worry.
Well, I know the boys are going to be coming back here pretty soon. And one thing we probably don't want is to have the sand and the dirt and
no.
everything get washed into the RV. So what do you say? Do you guys mind taking me through your RV real quick?
We would love it.
Because you got the campsite set up here. This is essential for newbies. Comfort, style, and convenience, I think, is absolutely essential.
Yes, sir.
And when you're talking about great RVs for newbies too, you guys picked a good one here. This Pioneer with the bike rack and with it being a bunkhouse for the boys.
That was the thing that sold
That's
our
their
boys.
favorite part.
Bunks,
Yes.
that word, they love bunks.
Bunks
so.
that were, but more importantly,
My
an
favorite
access
part.
point. Yes, access point into the bathroom as opposed to right into the living area.
This is what my wife loved, the fact that the kids could use the bathroom without having traipse all the way through all day. So
Right.
you kind of minimize where the mess might be.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, and you got the tub right there, so if you need to spray them off, you absolutely can.
Yeah.
I like these because when you do have the double access point, if you guys want to go out and maybe check out, a little bit of, the moon dropping down on the lake, or maybe
Yep.
get up early, you don't have to wake the boys up by
Exactly.
going through their area.
Exactly.
And if they want to stay out a little bit late and play, they can come in without disturbing you guys over the living area.
Yeah, and it's a very spacious bathroom for this travel trailer.
Yeah.
Really, really nice size.
I mean, you're a little bit taller than me.
a little bit, yeah, but I still have room. I'm
You
not
still
hitting
got
the
room.
roof, so.
Yeah, you still got room. So yeah,
Let's
I'll
go
wipe
on.
my feet off so we can
Thank
kind of
you, I
go in here.
appreciate
Yeah,
that.
I'm gonna try not to dirty up your RV.
Come on in.
Yes.
Oh no, this is nice. You got this set up for home and comfort.
Home away from home.
Yes.
That's what this
Yes.
is. It really is. Home on the road.
And when you're out there, what are some essentials that, because so many people, like I mentioned before, are discovering the lifestyle. What are some things you can say if you're going to go camping, first time, here's what you need to have?
I always start in the kitchen.
Oh, let me get out of our kitchen.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Absolutely. This has been a dream for me.
Oh, the little drain. Yes.
Absolutely. We keep
Yeah.
the things off the counter. It's very compact. It absolutely collapses.
Yes. Yeah.
But when washing dishes, it's easy. Even if I'm doing vegetables, washing
Yeah.
fruits and vegetables, I can put them in here to drain, and they're
Right.
not all over my counter, getting the counter wet.
I love that because it's also adjustable for the size of the, if you got a single sink, if you got a double sink.
Absolutely.
Yeah. You know what? I think that's a must too, because the last thing you want is just, you get finished washing something or you're
Where do
you're
I
like,
go?
yeah, what do I do with it here? So, and then I see the nice, oh wow, you got the Dutch oven over here too.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You got to have the camp pots and pans. I think that's a must.
Such a beautiful color too.
Yeah.
A little pop of color in your camper.
Right. Well, and people don't realize some of the decor and some of the beauty that goes into some of the camping
Yes.
products.
Yes.
Sure, we got the, they got RVs on them and stuff like
Isn't it
that.
cute?
But it's still, if you're
Yeah.
camping, it's fun. They're functional, they're fun, they're durable, they're easy to clean up, and they're easy to put away.
That's
think
the
the
key
key-
word you said there. Durable.
We both were durable with kids. You need
Yes.
plates like that you're not stressed about. If it hits the ground, it's not going to break. You're not going to.
Well, and you're not going to bring mom's fine china out on
No,
the road.
no.
That's
Definitely.
right.
Yeah.
Remember, objects shift in flight. So bringing bringing your plates out
Right.
after you've traveled all day.
Right.
9 times out of 10, you open that cabinet, they're going to all fall to the floor.
Yeah.
So having some durable plates, yes, very, very good.
Now, I know you guys are super organized too, and I see you got some organization things here. I like these when you talk about collapsible.
Yeah.
This is great. Easy to store, but when you need a laundry basket or even just a carrying basket,
Yes.
this was a good grab. I might actually take this home.
Even when you're packing up to travel,
Yeah.
being able to store some of your objects in there, some of the foods.
Yep.
Yeah.
We use that for a lot of purposes, not just laundry.
Right.
Toys, Legos, like you said, food. When we're carrying things in the RV, it's perfect. I mean, no
Now-
wasted space.
What about this one?
Isn't it cute?
It is cute. And I like, I'm a happy camper.
Yes, yes.
I love that.
So when we're going out to the boat,
Yeah.
we can put our little towels in there,
Right.
some of their toys. Just anything you can carry things around in, it's very helpful. Isn't it?
Well, and they're also good for if you have those little storage compartments, maybe under the bench seat or something like that.
Absolutely.
They'll fit in there, or even in the if you got room in the pantry space, and you don't want to just have it laying about. You
Right.
can put stuff in there.
Right.
I like the way they thought about the camping lifestyle to
Yeah.
make it easy for you, and I think comfort. Keith, you were sitting next to one.
Yes,
Yeah.
very, very comfortable couch, and it folds out to be a bed, which gives us extra sleeping. Because remember, we have 3 boys, so
Yeah.
there's constantly a fight for who gets the bunks.
Right.
So every night we kind of have to rotate him through, and the loser ends up on the sofa, and the booth then it also folds down to a bed, but it works so well. I mean, it really does.
but these are plush and comfortable
Yeah.
too. But is the fight for the top bunk or the bottom bunk?
I don't think it actually matters to them. It's just a bunk.
just a bunk.
that word
They just want
bunk.
the
They
bunk,
just
yeah.
want to be in the bunk, and
And-
they would rather share a bunk than to sleep here. But they're getting taller, they're getting older, so
Yeah.
3 or 4 distinct sleeping areas was a key to this RV for us.
Nice. Well, yeah, that and having the booth dinette, which also reduces down into a sleeper, makes another nice little spot. This is where my wife will kick me out when I start snoring. This is usually where I go. I like the throw blanket too. Those Sherpa blankets are extremely comfortable.
They're
Do you
so
use that at
comfy.
night?
Absolutely. I like to curl up there with a good book,
Yes.
a blankie,
Yeah.
especially when they're outside and it's nice and
Yeah.
quiet.
Yes. Yeah. Like right now.
Or it's perfect for the afternoon nap when you get a few moments alone in the RV, which doesn't happen often, but it's perfect just to settle you down to sleep.
Oh, I love it.
Don't get too comfortable. You need to go outside and grill soon.
Oh,
You're
yeah,
right.
yeah.
Right.
I mean, I know that's coming, but if you think about it, you've earned that crown.
Yes, well,
Grill King.
thank you, I appreciate
You've earned that crown.
No.
I like too how you've picked the RV that's carpetless.
Yeah.
Ease of clean.
Glad
Yeah.
you noticed that.
That's nice.
She hates carpet in there. It's just easier to keep clean, wear and tear. Again, families with kids, you know how hard kids can be on your
Yeah.
stuff. So this is a great addition.
It's for newbies who've never gotten the RV, who've never had a chance to really get in one. I think this, especially if you're going to be in there for a extended period of time, cleaning carpet,
Yeah.
I'm out, man. I also see you guys got some gadgets up here too that you're thinking about setting up.
Yeah,
I think
I'm,
that's a given.
I tend to be a gadget guy, and we
Yeah.
don't watch a lot of TV. I know people talk about disconnecting when you come to the campgrounds,
Yeah.
and we do
Yeah,
that,
yeah,
okay?
yeah.
Our kids still have their iPads, and so we limit that kind of stuff. But for me, since we don't watch a lot of TV, there's one thing I don't want to miss, and that's the games that come on Sundays.
Thank you.
So I had to get my satellite in order to have it, and my Wi-Fi extender in order to get Wi-Fi to stream the stuff. So it's
Right.
important. When we want to watch TV, we are totally connected with this gear. But then when we don't want to, we don't have to. It's not in our face. It's not sitting
Right.
out there all the time. It's just something when we need it, it's there. It's reliable, and it works great.
Yeah, and those are great because it rotates and will auto locate. So having that's a fantastic option, especially for the kids.
Yeah.
But a lot of the units nowadays come pre-wired for Wi-Fi extension anyway.
Yeah.
So all you really got to do is just get that and get the service, and you're off and running. And driving, safety, and security. I saw you got the Fury and Vision up there too. If the unit does not have backup camera, your own bed,
Yeah.
backup camera, and slide toppers, that's usually the 3 that I tell people if you're getting an RV,
Yeah.
getting into it, try to get that if you can.
I
So-
agree with that. I don't know how people back up without a backup camera. It gives you so much vision. And we have a system, and newbies will discover once they're in RVing that you're going to have your partner be back there and directing. As helpful as people are at the campground, we have our signals. I know when she says this, what she means. I know when she does this, what she means. I wouldn't know what you meant. So having that system in place and that comfort with your partner makes backing up a dream.
Well, I got to tell you guys, thank you so much for letting me kind of invade your space here a little bit at the
Anytime.
campground. But anything else you want to add for the newbies who might be thinking about getting their first RV and setting up that first campsite?
Don't hesitate. Just do it.
I love it. That's the best because you never know how much you're going to enjoy it.
Yeah, you do.
That's right.
And I think that's the key. We didn't know how much we would enjoy this lifestyle. I was really hesitant getting in. I didn't know if I could be in a small space. Big guy, small space with kids. I wasn't sure. We absolutely love it. I think I love it maybe more than anybody else. And a bonus for you newbies out there is when you have an RV like this, it substitutes as a man cave when you can get it by yourself.
Thank you, Keith. See, look,
So you
I've been
got a
wanting to
little
say that
extra
to you.
time, you know.
I've been wanting to
See?
say that, but my wife would slay me. You're not gonna have a man cave. That's our vacation home. I know you out there. Did you buy a Nintendo Switch? No.
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
So awesome, Keith, Tia. Thank you guys so much. I want to get out the way because I know
You
the
got
boys
it.
are coming back. Plus, I
Yes.
don't want to get you too mad because I want some of them burgers.
You got it. I appreciate it.
See you guys soon.
Thank you. See you.
Take
Thanks for
care.
coming by.